So that's that side of the blocks roll milled. So we'll move the blocks to this side of the tool again, and we'll go to the screen till we get to about 29, 30, and then we'll move it back in to 27 exactly, and this is our final cut on the back side. So be very careful, just tap on the handle just so that it gets bang on 27, and we'll now feed that back past the tool to roll mill the back side. You can probably see it a little bit better there with the cutter going clockwise. It's almost as if it's rolling over the top of the job as the job's feeding past it, and that's roll milling. Like I say, it's the opposite direction feed to standard or conventional milling, and this is for finishing a surface. So we'll let that go right across.